He's back, and we welcome him, ladies and gentlemen, from the Philippines. Here is Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
It's got my power, my range, and I'm expecting the best version. This is
the prediction is will not last 12 rounds. I think.
Wow, it won't last 12 rounds.
I did very good stepping stone to come back in boxing. We will see. Very encouraging introduction, and I want to thank of course God for this. And this is a great opportunity to come back in the ring. I thought it's easy to retire that way. Realize that I'm going back into the ring to keep on fighting.
He's a former champion, and me and him are fighting for the WBC. So it's a huge opportunity. And
46, about to make his way back into the ring. I saw him training this morning, but a lot of people are worried about. Like, what do you think?
Well, actually, I can't comment too harshly on that because I made more comebacks than everybody.
Sugar Ray Leonard nagpayo kay Manny Pacquiao na dapat daw ikondisyon ang utak at puso. Mas dapat pagtuunan ng pansin ni 8th Division World Champion Manny Pacquiao ang pagpapakondisyon sa kanyang utak at puso sa tangkang pag-agaw sa WBC welterweight belt ni Mario Barrios sa Hulyo. Ito ang palagay ni 5th Division World Champion Sugar Ray Leonard sa nakatakdang pagpabalik sa boxing ring ni Pacquiao makalipas ang halos 5 taong pagkatingga sa professional fight na halos planchado na ang July 19 encounter kay Barrios sa MGM Grand sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Halos 5 taon nang huling nasulyapan sa ibabaw ng boxing ring si Pacquiao nang mabigo ito kay Jordines 54 Milagros Ugas ng Cuba para sa World Boxing Association WBA Super Welterweight Round noong Agosto 21, 2021 sa T-Mobile Arena sa Las Vegas. Asam rin ni Pacman na makalikha ng panibagong record bilang oldest boxer na nagwagi ng kuruna sa 147 pound division nang mapagwagian ng World Boxing Association belt noong Hulyo 20, 2019 laban kay Kid One-Time Thurman sa MGM Grand Arena. Minsang nagbalik sa boxing ring si Leonard kontra kay Marvelous Marvin Hagler matapos ang halos 3 taong pagkabakanti sa laban para sa WBC at the ring middleweight title na nagresulta sa split decision. Sa huling laban ni Pacman sa isang exhibition fight ay laban sa mas malaking Japanese kickboxer na si Rokia Anpo noong Hulyo 28, 2024 sa Saitama Super Arena. Nauwi sa tabla ang laban na mistulang kinakitaan ng pagbabago sa laro nang uupo sa International Boxing Hall of Fame sa susunod na buwan sa New York City.